How are you guys today? Um, Wanted to give you a quick update on my flag, and let's turn it around. It did not tangle all night. It actually spins around. It's doing a good job now. So I only had it too tight. Uh, so I moved it up about a little more than an inch. And as you can see, the wind's going today. It's moving around. It's doing a good job spinning. So, but I have another project inside, and maybe you guys come inside and see what I do with this hole in the ceiling. All right, so this is what I got right here. And as you can see, like I say, this is a 90-year-old house. They used, whoever lived here used a picture frame and tacked it up and then threw some type of board in there. So I want to try and make this look a little better. And I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm going to use a fence picket. All right, so I had some issues going on. So this is very dry wood. As you can see, the wood split. And I think it split and bulged there, so I can't even open it. But it looks a lot better, and I'm not worried about getting open it, because if you've seen in the earlier video, there was a wire going right here, and the wire goes to that light. I don't know why I can't fit in that area anyway. It's like 15 inches, and I'm 38 inches around, give or take. Haha. So this will be a short video, but I thought I'd show you my fishies. Those are some tetras. Actually, there he is. I was gonna say I got 3 of each. It's supposed to be Steelers versus Browns in there. And then I got 1 pleco, and this guy is huge, and he likes to hide behind here. I mean, he's huge. The video doesn't show, but there's my hand. I mean, he's huge. he would be a great catch if he was out in the wild. But I did have an angelfish. I've had him for 3.5 years, but he got the ick and he ended up passing away today. Found him laying in the bottom of this little bush here. All right, so that concludes this video. Sorry it was so short. I wanted to at least try to show how I made it, but the wood was so dry. It sat in my basement, you know, with the heater, with the furnace running, and I just think the wood got dried out. Marley, oh, now he wants to run around. So I just figured instead of showing you all the bad stuff, I would just show you the finished product. I mean, from a picture frame that somebody threw up on my ceiling with a big hole in it, and it fallen out of the ceiling. I think that's a big improvement, even though I can't open the dang door. So I'm hoping to get this video up this week, because I feel bad I didn't have a video last week. Maybe this will make up for it, and YouTube will forgive me and start pushing out my videos again for everybody. So, and the flag still hasn't tangled. Right now, yesterday was 55 in my video yesterday, and today, right now, it's 28, and it snowed last night, believe it or not. And then I think by Thursday it's supposed to be back up into the 60s, but it's supposed to rain for like 5, 6, 7 days straight. So not going to be fun. So say bye, Marley. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, he's over here. Say bye, Marley. Marley, say bye. Bye. All right, please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you.